Alright, that 140 for the reverse gallop actually turned out pretty good at the end there. So what we're going to do this time is a little bit easier rhythm because we're going to have some quarter notes to break things up, help you get through this and gain more control over that right hand. But we're also going to be changing chords a little more often in some spots, like the fourth bar of each line. So one thing I think sounds really good here is palm muting most of this stuff. Basically, I like palm muting everything except the quarter notes. I feel it gives a much more aggressive sound. So if you feel comfortable doing palm mutes for all the 16th and 8th notes, do that. I definitely think it sounds better. But if that ends up being too much of a pain in the butt, just strum it as you normally would. So let's play this at two different speeds since it's a new rhythm, or new progression mostly. Let's play it at half speed and then full speed. So here we go at 70. Let's get some volume here. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you didn't notice, this progression is the same right here. So lines 1 and 3 are exactly the same. Alright, number 2, we are going to focus on that pinky problem you had. So drop the speed down to 140 and we're taking the same pattern and just moving it up a whole step at a time. In other words, moving it up 2 frets higher over and over and over again, and then we move it down 2 frets at a time, finally hitting that E note that we began with at the very end. All right, 140 for this as well. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. That is that. Yeah, just keep working on memorizing the stuff like you are. It's good that you're making progress with that. And I think that covers it. All right, any questions, let me know. And I'll see you again next week.